Your friends would be like, wow, how can you speak so well? You smiled and say, Pinyin, baby. It's the secret sauce to Mandarin fluency. Hey everyone! Welcome to Miss Celine's Classroom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more hilarious videos like this. Today we're going to dive into something super important. Pinyin is the magical system that turns beautiful, squiggly Chinese characters into letters that you can read. Think of it as Rosetta Stone of Chinese. Imagine you are trying to read a Chinese menu. Without Pinyin, it might as well be written in alien hieroglyphics. But with Pinyin, suddenly you are like, aha! I know how to read that! Pinyin uses the Latin alphabet. It's familiar for those who knows ABCs. Each letter or combination of letters corresponds to the specific sound in Mandarin Chinese. Think of it as a bridge that helps you move from your native language to Mandarin without feeling like you are jumping off a linguistic cliff. So let's break it down. Pinyin consists of initials, finals, and tones. Initials are like consonants, finals are like vowels, and tones, well, they are the musical notes that make your speech sound beautiful or sometimes hilariously wrong. Huh? Now let's talk about tones. Mandarin has 4 tones plus 1 neutral tone. They are the first tone, the second tone, the third tone, the fourth tone. The neutral tone is like a chill tone. It's relaxed and unstressed. Here's why they matter. One time, my students say to me,
我要去动物园看熊猫
but instead, he said,
我要去动物园看熊猫 看熊猫
Yep, you heard that right. 熊猫 熊猫 The words 熊猫 for panda and 胸毛 for chest hair sound almost identical except for the tone. Get the tone wrong and suddenly your trip to the zoo become an awkward conversation starter. Pronunciation in Mandarin is tricky but crucial. You can practice getting those sounds just right. For example, the sound C in Pinyin is not like the English S. It's softer, like sh in she, and chi sounds like ch in cheese, but with a bit of a smile. Go on, try it. Smile when you say cheese. And now say qi. Can you tell the difference? Getting these nuances right can make huge difference. It's the difference between saying I love you and I eat you. Both sounds interesting, but of course, one is definitely desirable. Pinyin also helps you read and write Chinese. Before you memorize a gazillion characters, Pinyin is your BFF. It's just like having a cheat sheet always in your pocket. When you type in Chinese, you use Pinyin. Imagine trying to type those intricate characters without Pinyin. You'll be there all day. With Pinyin, you just tap and boom, you're done. And you still have time for coffee. And let's not forget about listening skills. By learning Pinyin, you can better distinguish tones and sounds when someone is speaking Mandarin. It helps you to understand spoken Mandarin more easily and respond more accurately. It's like tuning your ear to the right frequency. Once you're tuned in, everything starts to make sense, and you won't be left nodding along pretending you understand. You actually get it. Speaking of speaking, Pinyin is your ticket to sounding like a native. Practicing with Pinyin helps you get a feel for the rhythm and melody of the language, making your speech more natural and fluent. Your friends would be like, wow, how can you speak so well? You smiled and say, Pinyin, baby. It's the secret sauce to Mandarin fluency. Now let's have some fun with common pinyin mistakes. One classic blunder is mixing up 四 and 死. Imagine you want to tell number 4, but then it ended up saying death. That's a conversation stopper. That's why Chinese don't like number 4. Or how about ma versus ma? You don't want to mix those up, or you might end up calling your mom a horse. Awkward. The key to mastering pinyin is practice.
4是4，10是10，14是14，40是40。
And I don't mean just practice in your head. Speak out loud. Listen to the native and mimic them. Sing along to Chinese songs, watch Chinese dramas, and make it a fun part of your daily routine. Turn the shower into a Chinese karaoke session. Your neighbors might think you have gone a bit nuts, but your Mandarin will 谢谢你. So if you want to avoid embarrassing mistakes and start speaking Mandarin like a pro, join my free Pinyin Introductory lesson. It's fun, it's free, and it's way better than saying you're going to see jazz hair in the zoo. Check the description box for information and sign up. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Share with your friends and leave a comment below with your funniest Mandarin learning stories. Bye for now and see you soon. 谢谢，再见。